My name's Lindsay Davies, and I'm the Chief Scientific Officer of NextCell Pharma in Sweden and co-founder of our new subsidiary QVance, a quality analytics company serving the Nordics and Europe. I'm happy to announce that I was elected onto the National Samordningsgrupp, which is a coordination group for advanced therapies within inside of Sweden. And in line with this, also now onto the board of directors for ATMP Sweden, an important initiative which is dear to my heart, supporting advanced therapy development within inside of Sweden and wider into the Nordic region to increase our presence within inside of Europe. Through my experience working in academia and also industry for cell and gene therapy over the years within a number of different countries within Europe, I hope that I will bring experience to help the initiatives with both the education and training development, as well as supporting new clinical development, alignment between industry and academia, and new regulatory awareness to the region. Sweden is a hotbed of innovation for cell and gene therapy, as well as other drug developments, from universities through to spin-outs, startups and SMEs and large pharma. It's really important to the Swedish community and also with the Swedish government through their ATMP 2030 initiative that we develop on this. And part of the initiative of these new working groups will be to increase awareness of what Sweden has to offer, but also to delve into the European industry and become more of an integral part in commercializing such technologies.